Have you ever wondered what happens when you hit submit on a job application? Like, what are they really thinking? What is the applicant tracking system really designed to look for? Then this video is for you. I'll see you on the other side. Hi, my name is Sara. I'm a certified career and leadership coach, and I help people find their dream jobs where they work less, make more money, and finally feel happy and fulfilled doing work that they love. I'm here with another training for you. If you don't want to miss any of these trainings, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you keep getting them. Okay, so I want to pull back the curtain on the applicant tracking system, on talent acquisition specialists, recruiters, and hiring managers in terms of what they're really thinking when they look at your resume. And I'm going to be doing this in the first training of the $10 a week job search coaching, the $10 job search coaching week. It runs from May 5th to May 12th. And this training specifically is Monday, May 5th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And why this is so important. Because people write their resumes for the jobs that they have, not the jobs that they want. And then what happens is the applicant tracking system does not pick up on what it needs in order to rank you high enough so that a talent acquisition specialist and hiring manager actually reads your resume. If you don't get past that ATS, a human does not read your resume, and we need a human to read it. Now, the problem I see with many individuals who do actually try and focus a lot on keywords and responsibilities is they're writing their resume for the applicant tracking system, forgetting the applicant tracking system is just the gatekeeper. That's all they are. A human eventually reads your resume and decides whether or not they want to interview you. So then we're not thinking about that when we are writing it. So I want to tell you what they're looking for. So there are many different styles of how a recruiter and how hiring managers read them. They read them differently. Recruiters have multiple ways that they read the resume. So I want to kind of let you in on the secrets of their motivations and what's going on in their heads so that they can see that you can do the job and then envision you doing the job and then get excited about you doing the job. The more we progress on that scale, the more likely not only that you get an interview, but the more likely they go into the interview wanting you to get the job, which means you're more likely to get the job. Also, negotiation and salaries start at the resume. Like a hiring manager is already kind of thinking, same with the recruiter oftentimes, where on that band that they want to hire at, where you belong. So we also want to be really getting them excited about you in the job because then that's pushing you up to the top of the band. So this is all of the things that we are going to talk about in that very first training. It's really talking about inside the hiring process, especially when it comes to resume screening. Now, if you want to finally understand how to play the hiring game smarter by getting into the minds of the recruiter and the hiring manager, but also really understanding how the applicant tracking system works, then you have to join the $10 coaching week, job search coaching week. The link to do that is below. If you have any questions about what it looks like and what to expect, definitely hit me up in the comments and I'll answer them. But otherwise, I will see you there. Take care. Bye.
If you liked this video, then I invite you to join me in the Find Your Dream Job program, where you work less, make more money, and finally feel fulfilled doing work that you love. Find out more at www.saracurto.ca/CYLA. See you there.